You know, Dennis, you said, it sounded before the break as though you were leaning toward the philosophy that says that, you know, we can borrow more money because we can grow our way out of this. But, you know, I get a little skeptical of that, because I think about, you know, if I had a large load of goods that I had to tow with a pickup truck, and let's say I had a quarter-ton pickup truck, and it really couldn't get that large load of goods moving. So I took a 1-ton pickup truck and I hooked it up in front of the smaller truck. And between both of them, I was able to get the momentum going. Once the momentum went, I could detach the 1-ton truck, and I'm sure the quarter-ton truck could keep that supply moving, because once we have kinetic energy, it's easier to keep it moving. But eventually, that quarter-ton truck is going to run out of fuel. And it's going to have to stop, and it's going to have to start the momentum going again. And that's what concerns me about the concept of spending our way out of the debt, or I'm sorry, growing our way out of the debt, is that eventually we're going to have a recession, but now we've created a bigger load that we need to drag around in the next recession. Your thoughts?
I can't argue with you. I mean, it's exactly what shall happen. All I know is, I was told when I was in undergraduate school in the 1960s that higher deficits gave way to higher interest rates. And all I have seen in the course of the past 40 years is that higher deficits have given way to lower interest rates. Now, we argued earlier on that I think that interest rates are going to go quietly higher for the next several years. But the correlation between deficits and interest rates seems to me to have fallen completely apart. We can, in fact, grow our way out of most deficits. What our problem has been in the United States is that when we have cut taxes, which I'm a proponent of cutting taxes, we have simply not done the right thing and cut spending as we should have. There will come a time, you are absolutely right, when the truck will stall and go backward. There shall come a time when that shall happen. But I was told that it was going to happen in the 70s. I was told it was going to happen in the 80s. I was told it would happen in the 90s. I was told it would happen at the turn of the century. And I've been told now it's going to happen in the teens. It hasn't happened yet. It'll happen sometime. I'm not going to lose sleep waiting for it to happen.